You know, I feel on top of the world. Finish the man that never got finished before is a great feeling. You know, got a shiny nice little belt. Just incredible.
The most dominant featherweight in UFC history. Jose Aldo had a 10-year winning streak.
Jose Aldo is a guy who's, you know, the greatest of all time. That's the first thing that comes to mind when you think of the 45 division. He was a dominator, you know, he just dominated everybody.
Oh! That's it! And it is all over! It's over.
I've been getting ready for this fight a long time. You know, I was 17 years old when I first heard of Jose Aldo, and I'm 25 now, and he's still here at the top of the division. So he's always a guy with a target on his back. You know, I want everything that he has. You know, he had his reign. It's time for Bless now.
Holloway extends his winning streak in emphatic fashion.
You want to tune into one of my fights? It's striking, and some more striking. You know, with a little extra of striking. I just love punching and kicking someone in the face and in the body. When those doors close, it's only me and him in there and a ref, you know, because nobody can help me, no one can help him. At the end of the day, we're going to fight. It's two men fighting, and I got to go punch that guy in the face. He got to go punch mine, and let a better man win.